Haley's going to wear this crown the whole afternoon because she... And you got King Balthazar. Huh? King Balthazar, Lakota, look! Hello again guys. Today is Monday 6th guys of January 2020 and it is holiday here in Spain as we are celebrating the Three Kings Day today. Yes guys, so we have lunch again guys. Yes, and today's menu guys, we are going to cook, yes, soup, and then we are going to have different kinds of meat like longanisa, yes, Spanish longanisa, and lamb chops, all in grilled guys, and what else, black sausage, black longanisa guys, and also vegetables like mushroom, artichokes, and I'm not sure if I will put potatoes, maybe no need. Yes, so those are the food that we are going to eat guys, and then we are going to eat the tortel, they call it tortel guys, tortel de rice. It's a kind of cake guys that we normally eat on King's Day. Yes, and yes guys, we are going to make aioli. Yes guys, so I will show you how we are going to make aioli.
In making aioli, you need 1 clove of garlic, 1 egg yolk, and olive oil. Yun lang guys ang kailangan. So you have to mash it so well hanggang na as in na madurog yung garlic guys, and then after that you have to add in the egg yolk and then the oil guys. You have to add in the oil gradually, yes, and then you have to keep on mixing.
So guys, this is the oil, this is olive oil guys, so let's continue. Okay,
and now guys, it's time to add in the egg yolk and then followed by the just keep on mixing guys. Yes, keep on mixing and mixing and mixing, and of course you have to add the olive oil gradually. So there are different ways guys how to make this aioli. Many people use their hand mixer and they mix everything, and it is also good guys, but I tried one day but it didn't turn out so well, so I prefer to do like this manually guys. Yes. While mixing guys, it's becoming thicker and thicker, as you can tell the consistency. Yes, so you have to add the olive oil gradually.
so guys, ito na yung traditional aioli. Yes guys, so yung egg yolk guys and oil and garlic, naging ganyan na siya guys. Oh, so this is really good guys in grilled meat guys. Yeah, really so yummy. Can you see it's so sticky guys. Yeah, and condensed. Look, can you see guys, ayaw ayaw as in na ayaw matanggal. So I made it. Yes, so we have enough. And guys, I added a pinch of salt, guys. Wow, delicious. Really good, guys. Yes. Hello guys, so these are the vegetables that I will add in. Yes guys, so we have these small green peppers, young ones, and ang sarap niya guys, i-fry with salt. And also we have our artichokes. Isa lang guys ang gagamitin natin na mushrooms. May dalawang binili ko guys kasi akala ko madami kami pero hindi pala. And also this is the lamb chops guys. Yes. Yeah, daddy, 1 kilo of this one guys. Yes. And also this is the Spanish longanisa guys. As in na mahaba siya guys. Yes, so it's up to you na lang na hihiwa yung size na gusto nyo. Yes, so we are going to start cooking guys. Yung soup namin is naluluto na siya. Okay, daddy? Yes, and the black one, hindi na kailangang lutuin yung black one. Painit na lang. Ayan siya guys, ang haba niya kasi akala ko kasi madami kami guys. Yun pala, hindi. So I think I'm going to cut half lang guys. Hello guys, so ito yung black sausage. Half lang ang kinuha ko guys kasi I'm the only one going to eat. Yes, as you can see, this is the black longanisa. Black sausage. So guys, this black sausage, it is made up of blood guys. Blood siya. And with onion, salt, pepper, and other spices. Yun guys. Kaya black siya. That is how they call it, black sausage here. Hello guys, this is our soup guys. So kain na kami. It's 3:40 guys and we just finished our appetizer. And guys, ito na yung ano namin, yung traditional aioli. As in guys na masarap siya.
Wow!
Kain tayo. Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Hello guys, so ito na yung pagkain namin, meat and vegetables. So yan na yung pork ay lamb chops, yung black sausage and yung sausage. Ito yung artichoke, mushrooms, and young peppers. Yes guys, so kain tayo. Hello guys, so this is the tortel guys. They call it tortel de res. Yes, this is the very typical dessert guys on Three Kings Day. Can you see, show them Hailey the picture? Yes, so these are the kings. Yes, and we also have this one guys. They put this crown inside because guys, there is one, what is fava? There is one bean inside of here guys and one king. Okay, a very small figurine of king, and the person who gets the king will wear this crown and the person who will get the fava or the bean is the one who will pay this
Cake.
torte, this cake. Yes, so let's see. We have to remove
Let's
this.
have too.
Hailey said that I'm going to pay. Let's see. Let's see who will get the bill.
I don't want the bean.
Hailey wants the bean.
No.
No?
No.
You don't like the bean?
I want the bean.
Let's see. Okay.
Wait,
So
I want
Hailey,
that.
here, come here, come here.
One time.
1, 2, 3. Daddy, we are going to cut it, okay?
So let's cut it guys and let's see if we can find the bean or the king. I removed the sound, guys, because Lakota was playing her mobile and I don't want to be copyrighted with the music.
This one.
Yes.
But don't cut at the middle. You have to cut like this.
For me.
Then you have to remove the sweetened. We can hear, guys. Kruk, kruk, kruk. It says, let's see.
Ay, 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 crack, 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 crack.
What is it? Oh,
La
it's the
figura.
king. Yes, very
Mira
good.
mío.
Yes, so Hailey said that she wants this one.
Bravo! Así la Hailey brava.
So Hailey's going to wait, Hailey mom is going to take it. So guys, I will show you. So it is here, guys. And it is king. Let's use this.
Aquí tinggal ako.
Ah, look. So it's here, guys. The king.
Bravo!
Hailey, come here. Show
Hailey,
them
the queen.
your crown.
Hailey,
Hailey, come here.
Así.
Yes, come here and show them. your
Bravo!
crown. Yes, Lakota. So
And for me, sweetie?
Hailey's
Oh, no.
going to. This is for you, Daddy. You
Okay.
can have more if you want. So guys, this is the crown. So Hailey's going to wear this crown the whole day, the whole afternoon.
A long moon, no?
Hailey's going to wear this crown the whole afternoon because she. And you got King Balthazar. Huh? King Balthazar, Lakota, look!
Así, bravo.
Hooray!
La fava no ha sortit, no?
The bin, we didn't find the bin yet,
So
guys.
take care with your mouth. Your teeth.
We have to take care. Come here,
Hailey.
Hailey.
So guys, the bin was in the leftover. We found it, guys, the day after. Yes, it's really funny. So this is how we spent the 3 kings here, guys, in Spain. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hope to see you again with a brand new video. Bye, guys.